Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the preset right away, not by fiddling with preferences. Open Alight Motion, grant storage access if asked, then navigate to presets. Tap Import and select the ammo file in Downloads or your cloud folder. Once imported, tap the preset to preview its core composition and layers. This verifies compatibility. Make sure the project aspect ratio matches the preset, for example 16:9 or 9:16, before applying. Doing this prevents scale and anchor issues later. You now apply the preset into your project and adapt it to your media. Add a new project with the same resolution and frame rate used by the preset, then drag the preset composition onto the timeline. Once there, open the layer hierarchy and inspect keyframes, blending modes, and effects order. This is where most visual issues hide. If your footage doesn't match, change anchor points, scale, and masks. Tweak timing by nudging keyframes. These adjustments keep motion smooth and effects aligned. You're finishing up. Render a short, medium-quality clip to confirm the look and timing before the full export. Check color balance, exposure, and audio levels, and use keyframe easing to remove abrupt movement. Once satisfied, export at final quality. If something looks wrong, layers misaligned, effects missing, re-import the preset and compare settings, reset anchors, and scale on problem layers. If jitter persists, reduce complex effects temporarily, then reapply them one at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.